Let's look at the clause dealing with rejection of a contractor's work. Injured employees of construction contractors sometimes argue that the design professional's authority to reject work of the contractor renders the design firm liable for not rejecting unsafe work that contributed to the individual's injuries. Courts generally recognize that the responsibility of the architect or design professional is for the benefit of his own client and not for the benefit of third parties. When the courts reach that conclusion, they focus on the contract language to see what the obligations were per the contract. And of course, they're also going to look at the actions of the architect or designer in the field. Let's look at the AIA approach to this issue. Addresses rejection of work clearly by establishing that the architect owes no duty to the contractor or its employees. That type of provision gives good clarity to the design professional's role and responsibility and can alleviate the potential for injured parties or courts to conclude that somehow the design professional owed a duty to reject work so that it would benefit these third parties.